Hello guys, welcome to Jumel Study Zone CSE and Let Review Edition. Today, we will be talking about integers. By definition, integers comprises the counting numbers and their corresponding negative values as well as the number 0. As you can see here guys, ang integers po ay binubuo ng counting numbers in the graph. So we have here number 1, 2, and 3. Those are positive counting numbers as well as their corresponding negative values, which is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on, and as well as the number 0. So today we will be talking about on the operations on integers. And we have 4 operations on integers. Number 1, we have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For addition, meron po tayong sinusunod na rules. So, for like signs, for example, positive number plus positive number and negative number plus negative number, the rule is you have to add the numbers and copy the sign. While for unlike signs, you have to get the difference of the numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. So, how can we apply this rule for like signs? For example, we have here both numbers that are positive. For example, we have 12, positive 12 plus positive 5 will give us positive 17. Since the rule says that you have to add the numbers and copy the sign. The same true with two negative values or two negative numbers that has negative values. For example, we have here negative 12 plus negative 5 will give us negative 17. For unlike signs, we have here an example, negative 12 plus positive 5. In order for us to arrive at the correct answer, as the rule says, we have to get first the difference of the numbers. So, 12 minus 5 will give us 7. And after that, as we get the difference of these two numbers, we have to copy the sign of the larger or the bigger number. So what is the sign of the larger or the bigger number of this given problem? So the sign of the larger number is negative, which means that our answer here is also a negative. So negative 12 plus 5 will give us negative 7, since we have copied the sign of negative 12 since it is the larger value or the larger number with a negative sign. The same true with this problem. We have here 12 plus negative 5. In order for us to get at the correct answer, we have to get the difference of these two numbers. So 12 minus 5 will give us 7. And since the sign of the larger number is positive, our answer here is positive 7, since the sign of the larger number, which is 12, is positive. So that's how we execute the rules for like signs and unlike signs. Are you ready to answer for your practice exercises for this addition or operations on integers of addition for like and unlike signs? So as I have said earlier, here is the practice exercises that you can answer on your own, and comment down in the comment section below your answers for these following practice exercises. So you can pause the video to answer these following problems. But here I will be showing to you on this video on how to solve this following problem. So following the rule for unlike signs in problem number 1, we have to get first the difference of the numbers. So 16 plus negative 17, and since our larger number is 17 and 16, we have to get first the difference between the two. So 17 plus 16, it will give us 1. And since 17 is the larger number with a negative sign, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number. So 16 plus negative 17 will give us negative 1. And that is our final answer for number 1. And for number 2, we have here negative 3 plus positive 3 plus negative 4. The same process with what we have done with number 1. We have to subtract first or get the difference of the two numbers, which is 4 minus 3 will give us 1. And enable for us to arrive at the correct answer, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number. So what is the bigger number for number 2? The bigger number is 4, which has a negative sign. So 3 plus negative 4 will give us negative 1. And this is the final answer for number 2. The same process for number 3. So we have here 8 plus negative 6. So let us get first the difference of these two numbers. So 8 minus 6 is 2. And since 8 is the largest number in this problem, and it has a positive sign, so our answer will also have positive sign. So 8 plus negative 6 will give us positive 2. And that is our final answer for number 3. The same true with number 4. So we have here negative 6 plus 11. So we have to subtract it first. 11 minus 6 will give us 5. And since 11 is the largest number in this problem, and it has a positive sign, so our answer is also a positive number. So negative 6 plus 11 is equals to positive 5. And that is our final answer. And the same true with our last problem, which is negative 8 plus 3. So we have to subtract it first. 8 minus 3 will give us 5. And since 8 is the largest number, or a number with the largest value, and it has a negative sign, so our answer must have contain also a negative sign. So negative 8 plus 3 will give us negative 5. And that is our final answer. I hope that you have learned something from this video, and see you all later for our next educational vlog. Thank you and God bless.